Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Sadhna and today I'm going to react on Adiga Digo Bhadragiri song from Sri Ramadasu movie, which is also first song of this movie, which I'm posting in this channel, Sadhna Reaction. But if you want to see my reaction on Sri Ramadasu movie, you have to go to straight in Sadhna Movies reaction and there you can watch my reaction on full movie. And there are definitely more songs which I'm gonna post in Sadhna Movies reaction only, because this movie is partially in scenes but mostly in songs, and songs are the soul of this movie, so I need to post it there only, because there only I'm reacting for the full movie, right? So yeah, without any further ado, let's watch this song. Is it written O in Telugu? Just let me know.
Shri Ramachandra Parabrahmane Namah. Adigo Adigo Bhadragiri, Andhra Jati ki di Ayodhya Puri, ye Valmiki Rayani Kadhaga Sitaramulu tanapai odaga, Ramadasa Kruta Ramapadamruta Vakeya Swara Sampadaga, Velasina Dakshina Sageta Puri. Adigo Adigo Bhadragiri, Andhra Jati ki di Ayodhya Puri. Ramanama Jeevana Nirnidrudu, Punardarshanamu Korina Bhadrudu, Sitaramula Darshananikai ఘోర తపస్సును చేసినప్పుడు, తపమును మెచ్చి ధరణికి వచ్చి దర్శనమిచ్చెను మహావిష్ణువు. త్రేతాయుగమున రామరూపమే త్రికరణ శుద్ధిగా కోరెను భద్రుడు, ఆదర్శాలకు అగ్రపీఠమౌ ఆదర్శనమే కోరెనప్పుడు, ధరణీపతియే ధరకు అల్లుడై శంఖ చక్రములు అటు ఇటు కాగా, ధనుర్బాణములు తనువైపోగా, సీతాలక్ష్మణ సహితుడై కొలువు తీరె కొండంత దేవుడు, శిలగా మళ్ళీ మలచి శిరము నీవే నిలచి, భద్రగిరిగనను పిలిచే భాగ్యము నిమ్మని కోరె భద్రుడు. వామాంకస్థిత జానకీ పరిలసత్ కోదండ దండం కరే, చక్రం చోర్ధ్వకరేణ బాహుయుగళే, శంఖం శరం దక్షిణే, బిభ్రాణం జలజాత పత్ర నయనం భద్రాద్రిమూర్తి స్థితం, కేయూరాది విభూషితం రఘుపతిం సౌమిత్రియుక్తం భజే. అదిగో అదిగో భద్రగిరి, ఆంధ్ర జాతి కి ది అయోధ్య పురి.
I'm having goosebumps, you guys. So guys, जैसे कि हमने ये सॉन्ग देख लिया है, एंड ऑब्वियसली माई क्लोथ्स आर डिफरेंट, सो मैंने ये सॉन्ग ऑलरेडी मूवी के साथ देख लिया है. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू मिस एनी वाइज. तो ऑब्वियसली लाइक जब हम मूवी देखते हैं तो हम कोई भी सॉन्ग को मिस नहीं करते. मैं सारे सॉन्ग्स देखती हूँ, बट because this movie is all about, like, the songs are very important for this movie, so definitely I'm posting all the songs of this movie I think one song only I will not post, which is after their marriage song. So that song I'm not posting, but other than that, every song, each and every song I'm posting in Sadhna Movies reaction only. But yeah, I'm just enjoying this movie. I don't know that this is the real story of Sri Ramadasu, and I don't know anything about this, but this movie just opened my eyes and just told me about this Bhadragiri temple and like what is that all about. And still I think 2 scenes are left, pre-climax and climax, I need to see. But yeah, wherever I have seen that movie, it is going super fantastic. I cried several times in between watching the movie because it's totally emotional and feels and divine and spiritual and whatnot. So I think yeah, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. I will see you super soon. Sadhna Movies reaction to watch this movie. Till then, bye.